Hello and welcome to today's library tutorial. What we are going to be talking about today is our TexShare card program that is available at the library. So the first thing we want to do is let's go to our library homepage. So if you are on the St. Philip's College website, go to Menu in the right hand corner, click on Menu, choose Library from the options on the right side, and this will bring you to the library homepage. If you look down the left-hand side, you will see TexShare card program. If you click on that option, it's going to give you a lot of information about the TexShare card. Now, this is a card that has two functions. If you are a student and have a banner ID, you can come into the library and we can give you a TexShare card that will allow you to go to other libraries that do participate in the TexShare card program, and you will be able to check out books from that other library. To be able to do this, you will come into the library and have a ID, which can be either your student ID or Texas driver's license, government ID, some sort of official ID. And we will fill out the paperwork, give you your TexShare card, and then you can take that card to another library. The materials that you borrow would have to be returned to that library. You do not return them to the St. Philip's College Library. And any fines or charges that you accrue from the other library would be paid to that library. Now, you are responsible for the materials that you check out with that card. You shouldn't loan your card to others, and any lost or stolen cards should be reported to the St. Philip's College Library Circulation Desk. Now, if you are not a St. Philip's College student, then you can go to your public library if it participates and get a TexShare card. Come to the St. Philip's College Library, and we will use that TexShare card to allow you to borrow from our library. What you would do is you would bring that card to the library. We will fill out a form and get you set up in our system. You will need to have an appropriate ID. Now, you can check out 5 items on your TexShare card for 14 days. Okay, and then if you do still need it for more time, you are allowed 1 renewal per item, and those can be made either in person, by phone, or online by processing your library ID account. And overdue materials cannot be renewed. Now, if you are a TexShare card member and we ask for your card back, then you do have to surrender your card, and any fines or charges for late, lost, damaged materials you would be responsible for. So this is just a quick outline of what you would need. Now, if you want to see what libraries do participate, there is a link right here. If you click on that link, it's our program, and you can search either by city, county, library name, or just do the zip code if you're not sure you just want one in a particular area. This web page here will also give more information about the TexShare card if you have more, want more information. All right, and here I'm going to show you a picture of what the TexShare card looks like. There you go. And then this is the form that you would fill out and sign, and that would get you all set up for the TexShare card. So that is just a quick background on one of the many library resources we have available to you. Thank you for joining us for today, and you have a good afternoon.